These videos are not financial advices. Everything shared here is provided for educational purposes only. It's another trading session. Now, I'm going to start my session. I'm going to take this doji break as my first trade. 3, 2, 1. Oh no. The gap up is against us. That's fine. This little overlap combining with this QM and entry above would be beautiful. Unfortunately, I wasn't on the chart on this trade. It's also closing on the round number, so I missed this trade, and then I wanted to just take this doji trade, even though this could be a very bad swing doji and keep dropping. So this is a 5 out of 10 trade. It's not a 10 out of 10, okay? But yeah, so I'm gonna just keep looking for other opportunities. We are at the supply area right now. We can get rejected, but I don't want to go against the momentum in this chart, and I'm going to keep looking for the best possible trade. Okay, oh my god, this is a beautiful ranging market. Doji right at the middle. Dojis usually work best in the ranging market like this. After breakout, they give us retracement, especially if we have gap down in the favor of buyers and we take the trade, and it's closing on a round number. So this was a beautiful trade which I haven't taken. So that was a winning trade. I would want to take okay, this is a engulfing candle, and then we have respected resistance area. If you look at this is a ranging market. Resistance, and then boom boom, and it broken like this. So this is an engulf. We know that engulfing patterns are basically same as demand areas, and if this engulfing is causing the breakout, so I can consider it a decision point. This is the entry for this engulf, but that's too big. I want a smaller entry. This is good. I want to take my trade on this lower time frame entry. It's with the trend engulf. It's inside the body of engulf, and this is a valid decision point area. So let's see. If the price comes to this zone, I'll take it. Especially if this candle closes as a red one, and then the next one comes down, boom, then I will enter. Because if this is red one, it will match this 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1. You see, there's no more than 3 consecutive red candles, so that would match the market's sequence. Let's see how it will go. I will put this right here so I don't forget where it is. Such a beautiful exhaustion candle. This is an exhaustion candle. All right. Let's see. We have a right at the middle, a doji, and this is a trending market, but in a ranging manner. So if doji break, retracement, doji break, retracement. If this candle breaks the doji again, I may take it for the retracement, or breaks it from above, I will take it for the retracement. Let's see how this is going to behave. I'm going to put this right here as well. Okay, this one is about to come to our entry, and this one. So we have 2 potential opportunities. Did it break the doji? No, it didn't break. So I'm going to just wait for this breakout to happen. And for this one, this is my entry if it gives me. Come on. Okay, I entered right here. Let's see. I'm kind of feeling bad about this trade, but yeah, the entry is correct. So if I'm going to lose this, I cannot complain, okay? Oh, we have a common point of rejection error as well. Let's see. This one is about to break the doji from downside. So I want to take this one as well. Imagine both of them being losing trade. I would lose my mind. Yeah, this is a losing trade. Fine. I'm going to take this trade. Let's go. This is good. We're getting a bunch of jewelries. I never use them. All right. This is a, again, this is a doji right at the middle. See before, but break the doji and got retracement, and now again we broke the doji. What is the only difference that we have broken doji, but previous times, if you look, see, no gaps, gap down, no gaps, which on these three we're fine, but once we see gap up, we should be scared, because gap up is in the favor of sellers and our trade is buy. So that's the only reason that made me worry about this, but yeah, that was a nice trade. All right, now we got the gap up, we won the trade, and we can break doji again. Okay, let's see. Yeah. I'll put this here again to not forget, and I'm gonna keep. Oh, this one didn't, bro. I can't believe this one was a losing trade. I mean, yeah, so let's just keep moving. Sometimes our best trades can also be losing trade. That's a fact. All right, it's about to happen. Look at the other pair is real. Okay. Oh, bro. This is a crazy gap down. I cannot trust this gap down. This is a huge gap down in the favor of buyers. They can take over easily. I will take this a very small. Let's go with 100 bucks. But yeah, this is a super risky trade if I'm taking a sell, even though this is a doji break. This is a huge gap down. In these kind of gap downs, buyers usually, not always, usually take over. And instead of a red candle, it gives us a green one. The question is, can we take opposite trade? For example, if you're looking for a sell, we see this amount of gap, and then can we take buy? No, that's not a good idea, because sometimes the setup is pretty strong and it ignores the gap. But in this one, since the minor trend is uptrend, it respected the gap down. And yeah, selling here would be super risky. That's why I took it with only 100 bucks. Okay, yeah. Guys, make sure you join the Telegram channel using first link in the description. That's the only official Telegram channel that I have. Alright, we have some pretty solid common points of rejection. Like, look at this one. This is beautiful. I wish I was on this pair when I was... Oh, it's also on a supply area. Common point of rejection. This is the best trade I could take on this pair. Especially because this is an overlap. Or it acts like a doji right at the middle. Again, a gap down. All right. Let's see. This is a third touch breakout, right? All right, I'm taking the sell right here, and then I want to explain something. This is a third touch breakout, but where this setup is coming from, this is a gap down again, bro. I hate these gaps against us. If I lose this trade, I'm going to stop the session right here, bro. This is going to be so annoying. This is a beautiful third touch breakout, reversal hammer closing on the third touch. And the price is also coming from supply. The supply itself coming from order block. This crazy gap is messing up. Yeah, so this is a setup. This is a good setup, guys. I can't say this is a bad setup. It is coming from the supply, if you look. and the supply itself order block. So everything is with the sellers. Now this gap really messed me up. That's fine. I will keep looking for other opportunities, but yeah. That was a good trade. I'm gonna take a trade here. I will enter my second two. Oh my god, I wanted to enter second two right here. Yeah, this is an engulfing pattern. We got the retracement already. We got the gap down in our favor for the first time in this session, and then the entry would be nice on this common point of rejection. Yep, that was a winning trade. And this is also with the minor trend. Minor trend is so important if you're taking common point of rejection. If you're taking common point of rejection, look back on your chart as well. See if you see other common points of rejections as well or not. And take your trade in a market with full of rejections everywhere and with minor trend with your in your favor. Okay, I'm gonna just stop right here. This was a kind of a tough session, but yeah. I'm gonna stop here. I hope you enjoyed, man. Do not forget to join the Telegram channel. Thank you for watching and peace out.